In ancient times, the Cizhou Kiln was one of the largest folk porcelain kilns in northern China. It was made in the middle of the Northern Song Dynasty and continued to be fired during the Southern Song, Liao, Jin, Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties. It is well known for its beautiful shape, the skillful way it was painted, and the way it used white makeup techniques. It looks like a piece of Song Dynasty northern folk porcelain. The most famous porcelain pieces are the pillows from the Cizhou Kiln. These pillows are true works of art. During the Sui Dynasty, the first ones were made. During the Tang Dynasty, most of them were small medical pulse pillows with a light top. After the Song Dynasty, porcelain pillows started to be made in large numbers, and their shapes got bigger over time. People slowly learned that a porcelain pillow could cool and remove heat. They started to think of it as the perfect summer bedding because it can put out fires, improve eyesight, and make people live longer. In the Cizhou Kiln, there are many different shapes of porcelain pillows, such as rectangles, wishful heads, petals, chicken hearts, hexagons, octagons, silver ingots, tigers, people, etc., all of which are unique and focus on being useful. One of the most well-known pieces from the Cizhou Kiln is a porcelain pillow in the shape of a silver ingot. It looks like the silver ingots that were used in ancient China, which stand for wealth, and well-being. The porcelain pillow in the shape of a tiger is an amulet that is used to keep away evil spirits and get rid of ghosts. The pillows made by the Cizhou Kiln are not only useful, but they are also works of art that are worth a lot. They use dozens of color decoration techniques, skillful painting techniques, and beautiful shapes. By doing this, they broke through the monochromatic glaze limitations of the 5 major official kilns that were popular at the time. This set a precedent for painted porcelain decoration in my country and took ceramics to a new artistic level. The porcelain pillow from the Cizhou Kiln is not only a great example of traditional Chinese folk porcelain, but it is also a major turning point in the history of Chinese ceramics. It is both beautiful and useful, and it has a lot of historical, cultural, and artistic value.